Are you getting tired? Yeah, she is getting tired.
That's good.
That's good. Misty, down. Down. All the way down. Good. Down.
Yeah, some people have got really high energy dogs. Like, I know boxers are crazy. You need to play with them a couple hours a day.
Yeah, that seems crazy. Luckily, I'm home right now, so I have time to play with her. I just don't know how to play. You know, play like this.
Misty, down. Good girl. All the way down. Misty, down. Down. Yes, good down.
This is better than a toy, huh? That'll be good. It'll be an easy afternoon. Is she? She's tired. You are tired, huh?
Misty, down. Good down.
Phoebe, come here.
Getting tired, little Phoebe.
I hope she goes to a home where there's another dog, because I think that she
Misty, lie down.
does very well with other dogs.
Misty, Misty. Good down.